If you are over 40 and you are sick of not being able to lose weight, you have found the perfect series. My name is Melissa with HealthyDaze. We are on week number 8, so we are 2 months in of creating these small little micro food habits that have completely transformed my body. And let me tell you, I have never looked back. So if you're just finding me for the first time, the only reason to be on video number 8, week number 8, is if you have already accomplished weeks 1 through 7. And I can tell you why. That's what is creating and building the psychological component discipline to be intentional about what you're putting into your body. Over 40, your body, the human biology that is taking place inside of your body, it has changed. And I just want to scream this from the rooftops. This system that I have created right here, it's a $5 digital download. It is the exact ingredients that men, women, over 40, but especially my heart goes out to the women because our bodies change so much hormonally. And I think that we don't take into account how much those hormones affect how the human biology breaks down the food that we're putting into it and affects our decision making in the foods that we're choosing. So these videos, this download right here quiets the food noise. Your body composition, the way that weight is sitting on your body is going to completely change. And it's something that I personally hadn't experienced since before babies, in my early 20s. I had not experienced this kind of rapid results just by being intentional to put these 52 micro food habits into my weekly meal plan. Grab the download. It'll be in the description down below. It's going to be in the comment section, and just get intentional to start putting these 52 foods into your body each week. Watch your body change. Watch your blood sugar levels get stabilized. The food noise completely turns off. And I don't know about you, but that is why all the fad diets and why all of the supposed quick fixes, quick slim downs fail, because you still have that food noise. Sure, maybe you're restricting yourself from not eating this or not eating that, but that isn't practical. Nobody can keep that up forever. So this system works with your human biology. It breaks everything down, breaks down the inflammation that's been built up inside of our bodies, and you get to go to the birthday party and you get to eat guilt-free. You get to enjoy the holidays. Hopefully, everybody that has been following along for the past 7 weeks, start to leave comments, start to get chatty down in the comment section. People need to be motivated and inspired by you. This works. We need to share it with family and friends. I am promising you, I made it $5 because I wanted it to be available for everybody. But all you have to do to get the results over 40 and beyond is just get intentional, get a little discipline, and you're going to start to see those results. So do me a favor, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. If you are 2 months in, please leave a comment and share. Motivate and inspire everyone. How does your body feel? How's your body composition? Please, we have to start talking about this. We have to stop acting like it has to do with just calories in, calories out, or how much we're moving our body. Why are we killing ourselves at the gym? We do not have to. It's not even scientifically sound to do so. Yes, cardio is great for, different parts of your body. If you're doing too much cardio, ladies, do you know this? You're actually producing more cortisol throughout your midsection, and it's making you feel stressed and carry more midsection weight. I mean, isn't that counteracting exactly what you're trying to do? But what does everybody do? They keep following the same method. Are you getting the results? Try my method out. Click that link down below in the description or in the comments. Grab the $5 digital guide and just give it a try. What I recommend over 40, and especially if you're at the 2-month mark and you are noticing how that weight is shifting in the body composition, because I think that's what we all want, because that's the biggest change that we notice as we age. I notice that I've lessened my cardio. I take like a 10-minute walk after each meal, a brisk walk, a good walk, but it only has to be 10 minutes. And then I move my body throughout the day, just between work and kids and schedule, we're moving around. Don't be a couch potato. But where you really get it is in the 10 minutes a day, which I have a video on this as well, of strength training. Do you know, to tone your midsection, all you need to be doing is lifting weights 10 to 15 pounds over your head. I know it sounds silly, but check out this video that I have on the strength training. That is what goes to work at strengthening that core. That goes to work at giving the waist definition. So again, we aren't having to kill ourselves at the gym. It is about consistency and it is about intentionality. So with all that being said, I so hope it motivates you to check out all of my videos. I have been on YouTube for a little better than 2 years now, but I have been researching weight loss for the past 5 years. After my third baby, the weight fell off much easier than my first two. And that is usually not the way that it works out for women, right? That's because I had done all the science-based research. I understood how to remove the excess inflammation, weight, listen to my body, and get rid of it. And I never feel deprived. I'm never hungry, and I never have food noise. Isn't that what you're wanting to? So this week we are on habit number 8, and it is eggs. So remember, when you order this, it's going to download right to your phone, and you're going to be able to follow along with me week after week. Now you can follow along right here on YouTube too. That's fine, no problem at all. I personally think there's something to be said about tangibly having it in your hand. So you follow along, it's going to tell you what the habit is. So each week we're just adding in one habit. Once you've checked out the other videos, you'll understand how this works. That's why you don't feel like you're deprived. That's why you feel like you aren't neglected, why you aren't giving anything up. But you're going to start to notice your body is going to start to talk to you. So this week we are going to add in eggs, one of my favorites. And this is because it is a complete protein, which our body needs. We talk about this in almost every video. Our body needs that complete protein, especially after 40, because we are losing so much muscle mass, and protein helps sustain that. Also, adding in the complete proteins completely stops the cravings, especially in the morning. I've talked about this in tons of my videos. Having protein and healthy fats first thing in the morning, it's a completely different scenario for your body all day. So buckle up. Today we are making tofu egg muffins, and they are going to yield you 42 grams of protein and 9 grams of fiber per serving. So if you want to follow along with me step by step, just keep watching. All right, so if you want your tofu black bean egg muffins to turn out just like mine, go ahead and start by cracking 12 eggs into the bowl. Go ahead and whisk those up. While you're whisking, go ahead and add in your garlic powder, 2 teaspoons, 2 teaspoons of your turmeric, and 2 teaspoons of your ground ginger. And continue to whisk. Once you have the spices all mixed in there, for those of you who aren't sure how to work with tofu yet, be sure to check out this video here. I cook up my tofu ahead of time and meal prep it out, but I cook it in the air fryer. And I am telling you, I have a recipe on there that I think tastes just like teriyaki chicken. The recipe calls for 16 ounces of tofu, and you're just going to crumble that in there. Oh, and if you haven't already, make sure you preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Once you have the tofu mixed in, you're going to go ahead and add in more protein, 2 cups of your cottage cheese. Put that right into the mixture. And finally, last but not least, we are going to do 1.5 cups of the black beans. Go ahead and mix in your black beans. Actually take a spatula that has holes in it so you can see that, because we want to make sure that we are getting a scoop of all of the mixture in each cup. And then we're going to top it off with the eggs. Once you have it all in the muffin tins, you're going to go ahead and just skim the top to fill it with egg. For 30 minutes at 350 degrees. Ovens vary though, so make sure you check it at 20 or 25 minutes. And here they are, fresh out of the oven. Look at these beauties. All you have to do is pop 2 of these out, let them cool for 5 minutes first, then they're going to be ready to eat. 2 of these muffins is going to be a great sustainable breakfast for you. You are not going to feel hungry for the next 4 to 5 hours, and that's what we are looking for. Check out the profile on these. 42 grams of protein, 9 to 10 grams of fiber. It doesn't get easier than that, guys. Please follow along with all of my habits week after week. Tell your friends and family about this, and I'll see you next week for week number 9. Be so proud of yourselves. And on your way out, make sure that you're subscribed. You don't want to miss next week's video. I'll see you over there.